All right, so it is 8:46 in the morning. I am getting ready to log in to work. I'm gonna wait till 9 though before I actually clock in because I want to catch that. That's not my password. I want to catch that 9 o'clock candle for this trading view trades for the challenge. So I'll be back. I'm gonna go make some breakfast. I'm hungry, and then I'll be back to see what's going to happen. What happened with the trades that I was currently in, and then to see what trades I'm gonna get into next. So yeah, it's a fun morning. Just had some stuff I need to take care of with some kids. Eating breakfast. Got a nice little burrito wrap here. And we'll see where things go. This is where we currently sit. I have 4 trades open. Natural gas is a long, we're sitting right here. Hopefully it should go up and continue going. West Texas oil, it's also going up. I'm not gonna mess with that. SPX 500 is going. We'll see where that one goes. And then silver is hovering around there. So what we're going to be doing is now, because the clock has already started, I'm going to take a sell here. This already took a buy. I'm going to take a sell. Let's get into a sell here. Stop loss a little bit above this candle. Go for a 1 to, let's do that. Create a market order. Market, I can trade up to 3 and sell. JP225, also going for a sell. This one lost the last one. Gonna place this here, stop loss above that. Great limit order. Oh geez. Was that 310? Great limit order will reset. It did. Look at that. 1 sell. All right, we're in that one too. And then gold. Wait, what happened? Oh no, this is sell limit. Cancel. Yes. Market. Create order. Market. 1 sell. Okay, there we go. And now we're up to silver. Silver, for some strange reason, I'm gonna take a buy. Stop loss a little bit below the candle. Create a limit order. Market. 30 units? Nope. 17 units is all I can trade for silver. And buy. All right. There we go. All my trades are taken up. I am in all the trades now, and we shall see. Current P&L is 950 bucks. Balance is 252,000. So we will see how these trades play out. So yeah, I don't know how everything's gonna play out, but really this is just a test. I'm here to see if just using something as simple as the previous candle to tell which way the next candle should go is a valid way to get into a trade. Really, from all this, after what, 30 days of doing this, it'll be less than 30 days, how many actual days of doing this, you should get some good data and you should be able to start tweaking just using that simple process of getting into a trade based upon the previous candle. And then that's it. That's really all it is. No matter what strategy you're getting into, what strategy you're looking at, you have to get in that chart time and experience to start seeing what works for you and what doesn't work for you. And then you just stop doing what doesn't work and you keep doing what does work. And eventually, minor tweaks along the way, you will make it. Well, I had to, so gold pinned out, I guess. I don't know. Let me look at this previous, this candle right here. Yeah, it looks like gold wicked out, came down, wicked down as soon as I got into that candle. So, but the same thing, I'm getting into this one because this one closed bullish. So we'll see where this one goes. All the rest of them are still floating around in profit. No, I lied. This one's in huge profit. The rest of them are floating probably around break-even area. Let's take a look. So let's go to SPX 500. That's one of the huge ones, just waiting for it to continue going. German 30s, near stop loss. JP225, also going that direction as well. Silver hovering near stop loss. This one's hopefully will go up, and natural gas is hovering near break even. So that's roughly where we're at right now. So that's where we sit right now. We'll see what the, I guess at 5 o'clock what happens. Although I'm not really going to place any trades at 5 because of the spreads and everything. But yeah, keep it simple. All right, so the market is now closed. I'm sitting with a couple of trades, looks like all of them. All of them have positions on, and I am sitting wherever they're at, currently in $785 of profit and loss, just floating equity or floating profit and loss there. Account balance 220 or 52,000, but once again, I don't know how these are all going to play out, so I'm not going to say anything. We'll have to see how Monday hits though, and go from there. I'm not in a rush to, make this happen. We have all the way until all of the rest of August. It's now August 9th. And so, it'll do what it does. It's been really, really smooth. I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to stress it. It's also not real money, so that makes it sort of easy. But yeah, we'll see how this pans out. I'm really excited to see how this actually works. So hopefully that, for those who are new, we'll see that you really could get at least break even with a simple strategy. And once you're at break even, number one, you're already ahead of the majority of traders who are trying. And then number two, it doesn't take much to tweak it to make it profitable. You just got to figure out how that works for you and what you're looking at. I don't know, but hopefully this will give you some guidance on that.